everyone, I wanted to actually walk you through how to do a listing on Poshmark. So you're going to set up your account, and that I feel like is self-explanatory. I'm going to walk you through how to set that up because I feel like you're capable and I have faith that you know how to set up an account by yourself. But after you do that, whenever you log in, they're going to take you to this news feed page. This is going to show, just whatever is being listed, whatever other people have posted recently. Oh boy. In case you missed it on my other video, this is illegal. It's illegal to use the actual photographs from a specific brand's page. And if you get caught for it, and Poshmark does monitor a little, but so many people do it, it's hard to keep up. But if you get caught on eBay doing this, they'll pull your listing right away. Even I went through a phase where I would get the logo and find the actual logo and then put it along the side here, and I got dinged for that big time on eBay, like big time. So whenever you're posting, you need to make sure you post only your own photographs. Do not, even if you find the item on the website, whenever you're looking up to see how much it costs originally, do not pillage the photos because you do risk the chance of getting in trouble. Again, clearly people do it, but I would not recommend going in that direction if I were you. So that disclaimer, let's go over here. So what you're going to do is scroll all the way back up to the top and click on Sell on Poshmark. So you can do two different things. You can start a listing on your computer, which is what I used to do. Is I would just start a listing on my computer and then save it as a draft and then come into Poshmark here and finish and actually type up the information. Or you can import them off your phone onto your computer and then add them up here. So we're going to go through both ways, okay? So the first way of just, if you've uploaded things to your computer from your phone, then you're just going to hit add photos and just drop and drag them in, okay? I haven't done that, so I'm not going to add anything. But we're going to, remember that blue swimsuit that I took pictures of? That's what we're going to do. If you remember, the system that I use is the brand. So the brand is Swim Suits for All. Multi-shade blue skirt, one-piece swimsuit, size 18. And it shows that I have 11 characters left, but that's okay. You don't have to use all of them. And I'm going to copy and paste that into the first part of the description and do condition, excellent, slightly used condition, no stains, no damage. Features. Looking back at the photo, it's a V-neck, built-in bra, skirt overlay, brief bottoms, blue multi-shade print, high quality brand. Then I'm going to put in the measurements. So the bust was 45-inch bust, 32-inch waist, 41-inch hips, 7 inches armpit to waistline, 10-inch skirt, waist to bottom. And then reference number. I got that for free, so I'm going to go 000154884. And it's in location C. And there you go. So then we scroll down, and you're going to select category women and go to swim. Subcategory, it's not a bikini. Cover up, oh, it's a one piece. Quantity, so if you had several of the same item, you would do multi-item, but we don't, we just have one. And it's size, plus size, 18. Does it have tags? No. Brand, I always enter the brand, so swimsuits for all, there, it's already popped up. Color, blue. You can select up to 2. Style tags, make it easy for buyers to find your listings by citing 3 tags to describe your items. So the material, style, aesthetics, material, or style. Let's see. What are these options here? We can do summer, vacation, and I would do summer and vacation. That's all that are really applicable. So the original price, this is something that we have not discussed before. So this is something that we haven't discussed, and that's looking up the original pricing. You don't have to do this, but I do. Now in Poshmark, it's a required thing. A lot of people just put 0. I don't, or they put 999, or it's just some random number. I don't. I take a moment to try to find it. So if we go to swimsuits for all, and swim dress, V-neck. Oh, this one right here looks like it, except just different pattern. Let's see if we can even find the pattern. Nope, it doesn't pull through. It's V-neck on both sides. Let's see. Oh, it's this one right here. I love it whenever it's a current dress. You're more likely to sell something if it's a current style. So here we go. This is literally the exact same thing. You can tell it's originally a $110 swimsuit. It's on sale right now for $55. So for $55 new. And again, you know, a lot of people just save this image, and it's illegal. You're not supposed to do it. You can, but I would not recommend it. And also, you can see in here, non-adjustable ride straps, power mesh tummy control front lining. That's something that you could add into your description. So you can go back here. You can type in high quality brand, comma, tummy slimming mesh front. So, you know, you can get some good description details. I wouldn't copy word for word, but, you know, whatever you can just reword things. So here, you know, it is a V-neck swim dress, $110. So back here, you're going to go back down to original price, $110, and your listing price. So it's going to give you a suggested price between $20 and $42. since this is used, even though it's in perfect condition, I'm going to go ahead and start it out at $35 because that seems pretty fair. Because I don't know, has it been used or not? I don't know. I do not offer discount shipping ever. I love this about Poshmark because once you put in how much you want to sell it for, it'll tell you your earnings. So it'll calculate out the fees that they'll take out. So if I sell this for $35, I'm going to make $28. eBay does not do that, and it's unfortunate. I love that Poshmark does that. Availability, it's for sale, not for sale, or drops. I never do drops ever. So for sale, alternative details, private. Now this, if you wanted to, you could do the original cost price and any other info if you wanted to. And even put, where it's located. I don't know why. There's no reason why I do or don't. I just don't. I have my little reference number ordeal, and that's what I stick with. But if you want to not have a reference number and just put that information here, and then you're going to come down here. Instead of hitting next, you're going to hit cancel. Do you want to save this listing as a draft? Save draft. To access drafts, click on Sell on Poshmark. Okay. So now you're going to go to your phone and finish it on your phone. And I will upload a video of how to do that now. Okay, so this is the continuation. You hit your Sell button from your phone and click on your draft. And something I forgot to add is that it won't let you save it to a draft without a picture. So I just put my picture up there. There's me. And then you're going to click on Add More Photos. Go to your selected photo list. Add whatever it is. I don't know what it's doing there. Okay, there it is. And then hit Next. And then you're going to switch them around. Delete your original picture. Yes. And then you're going to add all the photos for everything that you took for this garment. And then you're going to hit Next. And List.